What's up, squad? We got bikes. We're going to Bluff Creek. It's like 6 in the morning.
I don't wake up this early from work.
I don't wake up this early ever, and this is work, technically. Welcome to the video. We're gonna get to you when we're there, because I'm tired, I'm going to sleep.
I'm cold.
All right, we made it. It's about 9 in the morning, 9:30. Got the bikes. We are out here chilling. There's a lot of people too, so I'm excited. It's a beautiful day. Oh, got that high octane with the good oil. This is gonna run nice. Got my fanny pack so I can carry my phone around in case anything bad happens. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh yeah, first kick. God, I love two-strokes. This is gonna be fun. All right, here we go. Into the park. This is like the mini kids track here, so we'll go around the backside through some trails, and it should open up. We're gonna have to watch out for people too. This is gonna be sketchy. Oh, there's Spencer. Oh, is this a track? Oh, I know that. Yeah, this is the main track. Okay, it's been a while. Here's the double. I like this one. Hey, I made it. That was sketchy though. Woo! There's that one rut. I barely hopped in it, but there's a good rut up the face of that jump. Gotta make sure you hit it, don't get sideways on it. These two-strokes, man, it's like Ronnie Mac says, it's like taming a beast, you know? It really is, man. You gotta tame like all these bald eagles in here. It's terribly hard. We're gonna learn it though. Here's the jumps I was doing last time. That was pretty big. Rolling this, and I did this double here, which was a stretch. And then you land here and just send it off of this. And land all the way up here. I think I'm gonna do that one first. Just take out the big one off the start, you know? Why not? So we gotta crank it on that first double. We gotta get out this corner with some speed. Two-stroke life is gonna be interesting. So wish me luck, guys. A little nervous here. We'll be all right. What's the worst I could have? I can't say that. I've broken my arm and my leg before at the same time on a dirt bike, so let's just be careful. Nope, we gotta go faster. Nothing like a little case to get that out the way. Oh, that's gonna have to be fourth gear, dude. There we go. It's not that big, right? That's doable. Hey, I hit it at the top of second. Oh, my nuts. Oh, my meat, too bad. Oh, dear Lord. Was not ready for that one. I cannot freaking get that double. 5-minute break. I'll be back. Hold on. Woo. Man, he's stretching it on that 450 too. That's a fourth gear jump on this bike. How do I get in fourth gear? I'm so freaking... Alright, whatever. No excuses. Boy, do I have some getting used to on this little bike. When I say little, it has the power. It's just only in one spot, you know? Ah! That was almost bad. I'm gonna hit a tree. Oh, that got my helmet. Where the hell are we going? Oh, another tree. Oh, hold on. I'm stuck in a tree. Got it. Hey, I made it. Yeah, that was a lot smoother that time. Coming in second gear instead of first.
You make it?
Nah, I bogged down.
Oh, you're good. At least you're at the top.
Yeah, we'll be alright. Thank you, sir.
There you go, Bo.
Tried to hit that little jump line. Came at it totally wrong. Then bogged. Didn't work out that well. Hey, I did it.
You Derek?
Yeah, what's up? What's your name, dude?
Luke?
Nice to meet you.
You too.
I like your bike.
What?
I like your bike.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
You too.
You watch the videos then?
Sure.
Right on. Thanks, man.
No problem.
That's awesome. What are the chances of meeting a friend out here? That's so cool. I love that. Thanks for watching the videos, buddy. Got my Havoc goggles on. Got the orange lenses in this one with the orange goggles. Brightens things up quite a bit. Oh God. Whoa, Billy. Hello. All right. Made it through that one. How I made that, I don't know. Oh, the death gap is over there. That is true. Those guys are standing right in front of it. You'll hit it. If you hit it, I'll think about it. How's that? Because it is sketchy. No, I want to hit it for sure, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how much nuts I can find today. Yeah, you can make that. That's not terrible. Oh God, that's so scary though. You go into that pit, you're done. Go for it, buddy. Alright, that's easy enough, I think. Death gap time it is. Oh man, this is sketchy. I hit the tree, but I made it. Oh my God!
You did it worse than
Talk about almost choking. Oh man, that was cool. I gotta do that again. I gotta redeem myself. I can't believe I made it. I can't believe I did it. Wow. Got the nerves out the way though. It should be good. Oh, Andy! Oh, onto his butt.
Oh my ass.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I just need to go cry in a corner.
You know, these dudes over here are probably watching this like, those dummies, but hey, there's one thing they're gonna say, like I said earlier, Spencer, is they sent it. Yeah, it's just a blind jump, so good luck. Don't case it. The flat, that would suck. Oh, perfect. Look at you. That was a whole lot of rear braker. I would have done just what Andy did. Yeah, this GoPro is going to do no justice because this is, we call it the death gap for a reason. But you clear it, you clear it. That's awesome. You don't clear it, you don't clear it. See if I can roll this. Oh, that was so easy. Where's Derek? In the bog. Where's Derek? In the bog. Cable. Whoa, it's like a, that's crazy. That's a weird spot for a cable. Spencer, buddy. Oh, you made a mistake. Oh, man. Did you have to?
Look at my face!
You got yourself too, I'm glad.
Oh no!
Let me just get this tree off me. I didn't make it! Ah! It was a little steeper, I needed a better run at it. Tried it in first. My bike's just gonna come down apparently.
What a loser!
You know, I don't appreciate that at times like this. Do I need help? No, it's okay. Just gonna slide it down here. Oh yeah, that's working great. Oh yeah, this is called that custom plastic mod, the scratch kit made by Fooligan. We're halfway there.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'll be up in 1 second. We're gonna try that in second gear. Just gotta go with some speed into it. I'll top on the track. Hey, our friends are over here. I can't stretch that first one anymore on third gear. So it's got to be a fourth, but I'm having trouble getting into the power band on fourth. That's perfect. Good distance. Yeah. That was close. I mean, I wish the camera, you know, really showed. That's so tall, oh my gosh. And then there's that big pit in there, so if you fall in, you know, you fall, your bike hits you, rocks, not fun. Very fine rut there that you have to hit, so I'm lucky I didn't fall off the first time, but I don't know if I want to hit that again today. We'll see. Maybe try some new. I'll do some scary stuff. Like, you only get so many lucky chances to luck out, and I don't want to waste them all on one jump. You know what I'm saying? That's awesome. He's airing that out. Oh my god. Hey, I sent it. That's what counts. Here's Carl. Oh, smooth. I don't have a place to set my bike, so I'm just gonna do that for now. Sorry, bike. Joey! You got it? Oh
my god.
Woo, you alright, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good.
As long as you're alright, bro. That lip caught your back tire and bumped you. Wow, dude, this is the sketchiest thing I've ever seen. Look at all these people watching us. We just got it. You gotta bump it more. Oh. Hey, you alright? He said, yeah. Spencer. Styling it out. Almost too far. Here's Carl. Oh, yes. He's got it down now. Whoa. That was close. No, you're good. You're clear. I'll start watching. Need that rear brake. I know, dude. We attracted the park so fast whenever we started hitting this thing, because it's like the hardest, probably like one of the hardest jumps. Oh, nice, dude. There you go. Hey, buddy! Hey, Jeff, what's up? You made it. Haven't seen Jeff since the pit bike incident. Oh, that's a new route. Oh, he's like, nope. Oh! 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 Oh, there goes the fender. Dude, he is sending it. I'm like impressed right now. He's got a wheelie bar now. Hey, we made it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, man, nowhere to go on that one. So close. Admirable effort. I mean,
Dude.
just gotta go for it. Doing the no footer down. Oh, got a little style happy on that one, huh? Ooh, Joey a little sideways too. See, Carl's to the right of it, and that was like the farthest. That was perfect. Here's Spencer. Nice. God. Leave it to Derek, man. My front tire just gave out. I'm okay. There we go, a little bit. Oh, that was sick. A little like brake action in there, like kind of whipped it. I'm not hitting that anymore. Nope. That rut's getting to me. I'm trying to dodge it and it's just not working. Alright guys, it's about that time. So, you know the drill. If you like that video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. And until next time, peace. I did it! Yeah! Lost it, he saved it though.
Connected.